Well, hello YouTube, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Joe Yapzor. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to design a beautiful t-shirt like this. The design for the t-shirt, and we are going to be using Photoshop throughout it. So look at the back view of it. We are going to design the back and front of it all from scratch, so you can stay tuned while we roll on. So I just create a new canvas using art and illustration 1000 pixels grid, and I'll type out my text using, change this to black. So the text is PAX Week Celebration. The font I'm using is Hobo Medium. Hobo STD Medium. You can get it online in case it's not on your machine. You can just check online for Hobo. Look at it here, Hobo STD. You can download it. It's a very good font which I like using nowadays. So when you are done with that, with this, I'm not going to use the A. PAX is a Catholic movement. That's Pax Romana, International Movement of Catholic Students with Peace from Rome. It's a Catholic movement, and to make it unique, not just the A, I'm going to eliminate the A and insert Alpha and Omega there. Alpha and Omega signifying that God from beginning to the end. So this is the sign of Alpha and Omega. Alpha, this is Omega around it, the Ohm sign, and we have Alpha. That looks like the A. They are Greek alphabets, the first and the last. So when you bring down in, you adjust it to fit. So for now, I'll just increase the font size. So the spacing is needed here. Okay, this is good. Alright, so this is very good, but you realize that the spacing between the PAX and the week is too much. So to reduce spacing between them, you just come here, and here is auto. You can reduce it by just clicking on it and scrolling your mouse. So this is good. So now add the other one, a rounded rectangle. Rounded rectangle, you find it when you right click on the tools side and you have it there. You can even use rectangle depending on your choice. So I just type the text that is supposed to be there, celebration. Reduce the size, change to white. It's looking good, but it would be good to use a different font. So I'll go for this font. It's called SF Comic Script. It looks okay for me. You can also, it's also, I downloaded it from online. It's a free font that you can get online. So you just adjust it, and because of how they are, I would like them to be centered. So what you do is you group the alpha and the PAX week. So you just select all those that are here, up here, and you group them. And when you come up here, in order to select group, you change this with this being on and change it to group. So when it's on group, you are now moving them as an entity. So with that, you can just select everything here, and if you are using CS6 and below, the signs might look different, but center align it, and it's over there, but just that they are positioned out different. So this is center, horizontal aligned center. So we just leave it that way, and this is it for the front design. So I just group all of them and add the back text. That one is just simply a text. black, Pax is Liberation for Peace. It's a Catholic movement, an international movement recognized by the UN. That was just by the way. Hobo Hola. And we have our design here. So what I would like to do is, this is already grouped and this is also a single unit. So to put on the t-shirt, I've downloaded these mock-ups from online. I think it's also online. I downloaded it for free. I'll try and see if I'll get the link and put it below for you to also download for yourself. So this is it. When you come here on the mock-up, you find a place like your design here. So you just click on it. When you click on it, they will take you to this place. You remove what's already there and bring, where is, okay, it's here, and bring in yours. So as I place it there, just adjust to fit. You can click this off. Then you just simply save. Because it's because it's a mock-up, when you save, it will update. So it has been updated here. Don't worry about the color, you can always adjust the color. And with this, it looks very big for me. So what you do is you simply reduce the size, or better still, you can also reduce the size at the other side. This is, you go for the logo. And that's it for the logo. With the back, it was likewise, because I don't like to delay your time, I just put that one also there. And when you do it, you save. So if it's a new text, you can probably simply just start typing your new text, or better still, if there is no text, you just create your own text. Then you save it. So if you are not to change the color of the shirt depending on you, so when you come, you just tap them to see where the shirt is. So you realize that this is where the color of the shirt is. Whatever you adjust here, this is just a shadow. So whatever you adjust here, so when you off this, you realize that that is only a shadow. Whatever you adjust here is what gives the shirt color. So you just come to this. There are many options you can use. You can put something there, but because of these clipped ins, these ones are just to brighten them. This is black color, dark color. That's if you want to change the shirt color in black. So I'll just simply tap on this. Sorry. You tap on this. So when you tap on it, you come to color overlay. Change the color to whichever color you prefer. And with this, it's looking horrible. So you change blend mode to overlay. If it's not working, you just play around them. So we have dissolve, is obviously not working. So you go through the colors. I think this, so this gives me a green color. So with this you can adjust them. The blend is because of the blend that I've maintained this. So you just work around the colors, adjusting them till you get the appropriate results you need. So this is the color I use. That's the difference of red that gives you blue here. But a mistake I did was this. You realize that the celebration, there's white there, and with t-shirt design that is not good to be there. So when you come here, change this to layer, and you just select pixels off it. Click on the rounded rectangle and click Control Shift I to take the inverse of it. Then you mask it. So when you mask it, it's now a transparent layer. So the celebration no longer takes white color, but what? Transparent. So the other editing. Okay, sorry, it has been affected. So whatever color you put there is what works. So I think you can just come here and do likewise. Then you have it. So thank you very much for watching this video to the very end. I hope it was useful. Subscribe to my channel for more content on Photoshop, and enjoy your day. Thank you.